Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
This is the vehicle we're going to be doing next, 2016 Audi A8. Stay tuned, we're going to be doing all new audio from Audio Dynamics, including 2 new subs, all new speakers, new 6-channel and DSP. We're going to do this Audi A8 door panel. So 2016. We're going to start with removing this trim piece right here. This is what we have to get off first, and it kind of has to unclick here, and then we have to unclick all the way around, and then we'll have to kind of scoot it over and then pull out. I'll kind of show you why behind. And we're going to try to go underneath here and pull out first. And then we're going to put some tape down here just to make sure everything doesn't get messed up. This is incredibly hard to do with the plastic pry tool. It just snapped this one off. So this isn't easy. This is the hardest part, is getting this piece off. So just letting you guys know, this isn't easy. Since I got this in with the plastic pry tool, what I did was I came up in the corner and hit it with the pick tool to kind of get it out. You don't want to get underneath anywhere underneath here with anything metal. It will mash up this part. That's why I have tape on here, just to even protect myself. So just to let you know, I'm gonna go around with the plastic pry tool now that I got this out. I'm gonna work my way all the way around. And then as you can see, going around it with the plastic pry tool, and you got to be super careful because these are really, really, really fragile. So you just make one wrong move and it's game over, you know? So just go around this and just work your way all the way around. Okay, so everything popped off, cut it off. Then when you get it out, you're gonna have to kind of slide it towards the driver, boom, because these little hook things in here, okay? And then everything's off, and then that's what your backside looks like right there. Got these posts that stick up, and then click into these clamps right here. And then behind this, you're gonna have an 8mm and an 8mm. These are the 2 8mm bolts that came out, one here, and there you go. Some oxidation on this door panel, just so we don't get blamed for that. Got the 8mm out on here and here. So the way that this works is this is a little bit different than the passenger side. The passenger side has a handle that comes up. So on this one, yep, we have a little piece right here. We're gonna have to take that out. We just took our pick tool underneath here and we just got it out. Hold on it, and that's what the back side of it looks like. And then inside of there, you'll have another 8mm. Also going to remove this by taking our plastic pry tool as well. We're going to kind of go around the edges of it with the plastic pry tool. Just got to be super careful. And then once you get this off, just got to be really, really, really careful. Because these little things that they put in here, they're not very quality in my opinion. What the piece looks like when it comes off, and then we went ahead and unplugged this piece right here just by pushing down on this top part right here. You have to take this piece off. We use our plastic pry tool and just pry it behind, and then you can get all these little clips off. That's what it looks like behind there. Set that in there, and then right up there is your 8mm. All right, so we have everything out of the door panel, including the top piece, this piece, your bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and start popping everything out. Now on most of these cars, they say go underneath here. There's a little X right here. It's kind of hard to see. And they say that you can just, like this little part, you can push up, pull out. I haven't had the greatest luck, so I'm gonna start over here, which is usually what works the best. I'm gonna use my plastic pry tool and get in there and see if that works the best. Okay, so we did use our plastic pry tool and we got it out. And then what we did when we got to this bottom is I did push up and pull out, and that did help. So I kind of waited till I got to this part, and then I pushed up and it popped out. Once you get it off, you'll want to pull this back, pull out, and then you'll pull this little hook out of here. You also need to remove this, push this little pin in right here. Push that in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but so we can do it with one hand. There you go. Push that little part in right there, pull this back. Boom, that clip comes out. There's clip 1, and then you got clip 2 right here. Go and unclip that. Those are the only 2 things that you need to unclip for the door panel. Here's behind the door panel. And here's your speaker, your Bose speaker. And here's the back side of the door panel, what everything looks like.